welcome to our Maths Nagaraju YouTube channel. Today, in this inter first year, Maths 1A, the third chapter is Matrices, the part 7. Already I have told you, matrices consist 22 marks for the exam, 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 2 7 marks question. Okay? In that, today in class, we will discuss about determinants of matrices, singular matrix and non-singular matrix, and how to find adjoint matrix, and what is the inverse of a matrix, how to find, and what is the invertible matrix, and how to find rank. Those kind of steps can be explained in this video. In the previous parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are explained. In that I explained few sums. First of all, let us see what is determinants. How to find determinant to a matrix. Determinants. So before going to this, a small request, please subscribe my channel and also share with your friends and click the bell button. Coming to the point, determinants. Okay, suppose if capital A is a square matrix, then determinant of the matrix A is denoted by det A. Simply we can write as det A or det A. So we can denote by det A or det A. Pronunciation, reading is same, but here we can write DETA or you can write modulus A, but don't read as modulus. In matrices we should read, this is read as det A. Okay, and it is defined as by following steps. Because I will tell you how to find determinant to given matrix. So given matrix, it may be 2 by 2 order matrix, or it may be 3 by 3 matrix, okay na? Or maybe 4 by 4 also. But in this intermediate, we will learn how to find a determinant of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Following steps. So first of all, I will tell you how to find determinant to a 2 by 2 square matrix. 2 by 2 square matrix. See, this introduction is very most important because of the concept determinant. If you know, then you are capable to solve 7 marks questions. Because of 7 marks very important questions we have in this topic. 2 7 marks questions for exam. So 14 marks in that, those most probably depend on determinants. So what are the following steps? First one, determinant of 2 by 2 square matrix. Let us see how to find. Very easy. A small trick I will tell you. For example, let A equal matrix A, B, C, D. For example, I am taking let matrix A equal A, B, C. Then det A, or we can write det A is equal. We should write in det A, B, C, D. Okay, na? Just see the comparison between these two. This is a matrix. Matrix means bracket A, B, C, D. This is determinant of this matrix can be written as det A, B, C, D. And which is equal, so det A equal, see, first element and last element multiply. A into D becomes what? AD. Next minus, multiply remaining terms B into C. Yes. just remember this for 2 by 2 matrix. Okay na? First element, last element multiply and take minus and multiply second element and third element. AD minus BC. First from AD, then multiply BC and put minus in between. So this is treated as like a form. So let us see one example. For example, let A equal something 2, 3, 1, 5. However, I am taking for example 2, 3, 1, 5. So how to find det A? So det A equal that 2, 3, 1, 5. So which is equal, how to multiply? First we should multiply 2 and 5 in this way. For our convenience I am drawing a way. Actually no need to draw. 2 into 5. First we should write 2 into 5 and then keep minus and then multiply other two terms, other two elements. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Yes, 2 5 are 10. Next keep minus 3 1 are 3. So 10 minus 3 how much? 7. So det A value is 7. So this is how to find determinant of a 2 by 2 square matrix. So all 2 by 2 square matrix can be done like in this way. And step 2, second, det of 3 by 3, okay, square matrix. For example, matrix A equal A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Matrix. Okay, matrix A equal A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And how to find determinant? So det A equal that, okay na, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So be careful here. This is the introduction class for determinants. So if you know how to find a determinant, then we can easily solve 2 marks important question and 7 marks important question. Because after explaining this concept, I will tell you very most important 2 marks in this concept determinant. So how to find here? See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. 3 rows, 3 columns are there. So first we should convert into 2 by 2 sub matrices. See, what is first element? A, and then take determinant. Next, what is second element? B, then take determinant. What is third element? C, and then take determinant. Okay, first plus, next minus, next plus. Is it clear? First element, second element, third element. First plus, next minus, next plus. And what we have to write in this determinant? See, for A, just close row of A and row of column. What are the remaining elements? Just close this row and this column. Because for A, we should write. For A, if you close row and column, what are the remaining elements? E, F, H, I. So note down. E, F, H, I. Then next for B, close B column and B row. So what are the remaining elements? Yes, tell me. Very good. D, F, G, I. D, F, G, I. Next, close the C column and C row. Because for C we should write. What are the remaining? D, E, G, H. D, E, G, H. And which is equal A into how to multiply? This is a 2 by 2 square matrix. Okay, cross multiplication. E into I first of all. E I minus H F. Okay. Next minus B into D I minus G F plus C into D H minus G. So in this way we can simplify we can find the determinant of 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay. So let us see one example. Next, one example. Okay, plus C into dg minus g. After this, let us see one example. How to find the determinant of 3 by 3 square matrix. I told the procedure I told. Now I am going to take one example. So this is not only example. This is a 2 marks question. I am going to say this 2 by 2 this determinant concept. Already 31 very short questions are over in previous videos. So now the next sum will be 32nd. Find the determinant of so 32nd very short question. Find the determinant of A equal of matrix A equal 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, okay, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. What is this square? Okay, see solution. First of all, given that matrix A equal 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. This is given matrix. Okay, now this is also important sum for 2 marks question. One more step I am going to simplify. 1 square means what? 1 1 ja 1. 2 square means what? 2 2 ja. Yes, 4. 3 square means 3 3 ja 9. Next 2 square means 2 2 ja 4. 3 square means 3 3 ja 9. 4 square means 4 4 ja 16. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. 5 square means 25. So this is matrix A. The next, what is det of A? So det A equal det 1 4 9 4 9 16 9 16 25, and then is equal yes. First, what are the elements? First row 1 4 9. So 1 into det. Next 4 into det. Next 9 into det. Sign plus minus plus 1 4 9 plus minus plus. Next, for 1 close column and row. What are the remaining elements? 9 16 16 25. So 9 16 16 25. Next 4 close the column and close the row. What are the remaining elements? 4 16 9 25. 4 16 9 25. Next, for 9, what are the remaining elements? Close 9 row and 9 column. What are the remaining? 4 9 9 16. Yes, 4 9 9 16. And which is equal 1 into multiply. Cross multiplication. 9 into 25. How much? 225. Very good. Next, minus 16 into 16. Okay, now 16 square. Directly you have to say. If you know 20 squares, you are better in maths. Okay, sir. Okay, 256. Yes. Next, minus 4 into, now cross multiplication. 4 into 25, 100. Next, minus 9 into 16, 144. Can 24 minus 9 into 9, 81. So this is, if we simplify that, we can reach the solution. Very clear? This is equal, so dpa equal, so we are getting 1 into 225 minus 256. Just do. So 256 minus 225. 1 and 5 minus 2, 3. So becomes negative terms are more. So we get in negatives minus 31. Next minus 4 into 100 minus 144 becomes minus 44. Next plus 9 into 64 minus 81. How much? Minus 17. Okay? Yeah. Which is equal 1 into minus 3. Minus 3. Now minus into minus plus 4 into 44. We do simplify. Calculation. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. 1 17. Next plus into minus minus 9 into 17. 9 7 ja 63. 9 1 ja 9 6. 15. This is. Here negative terms here 3 are there. Here negative terms 153 are there. So total negative terms 153 3 156. So total negative terms 156 and positive terms 176. So subtract 156 from 176. What we get? 20. So delta A equal to what? 20. Determinant of A equal 20. In this way, we can find the determinant of given matrix. Let us see one more question. Note down this. 32 are over. Next to 33rd question. Can I write this? Make a notes. Same type of question. Find the determinant. Find the determinant of the matrix A equal. Write of the matrix matrix 1 minus 1 2 3 0 4 minus 4 minus 2 5. Cannot find the determinant of the matrix 1 minus 1 2 3 0 4 minus 4 minus 2 5. Okay. Solution. So given that I am taking let matrix A equal. So what is matrix A? 1 minus 1 2 3 0 4 minus 4 minus 2 5. This is given matrix. So next to det A equal. Can I asking to find determinant? So det means what? Lines. 1 minus 1 2 3 0 4 minus 4 minus 2 5 determinant. And then simplifying. First 1 is there, 1 into determinant. Next minus 1 is there, minus 1 into determinant. Plus 2 is there. Symbols what symbol? Plus, minus, plus. Okay, 1 as it is, minus 1 as it is, 2 as it is. Plus, minus, plus. Next elements. For 1, close 1 column and 1 row. 0 4 minus 2 5. 0 4 minus 2 5. Next, minus 1. I think already you understood very clearly. 3 4 minus 4 5. 3 4 minus 4 5. Next for 2, close 2. Remaining elements 3 0 minus 4 minus 2. Yes. 3 0 minus 4 minus 2. and simplify it. We will get the answer. 1 into 0 into 5. How much? 0 minus 2 into 4 minus 8. 0 into 5 0 and keep minus and then minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Here minus into minus plus and keep bracket. 3 into 5 15 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 16. Okay, 3 into 5 15 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 16. Okay, now what is formula? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Next, plus 2 into AD, 3 into minus 2, minus 6 minus B into C, 0 into minus 6, part 0. Okay, which is called 1 into minus plus. So we get 0 plus 8 plus 1 into minus plus. So we get 15 plus 16 plus 2 into minus 6 minus 0, only minus 6. And which is called 1 into 0 plus 8, 8 plus 1 into 15 plus 16, 31 plus 2 into minus 6. 1 into 8, how much? 8. 1 into 31, 31 plus into minus 2 into 6, 12. So 31 plus 8, how much? 39. 39 minus 12, how much? 27 is the determinant of the given question. See, for your more exercise in textbook, exercise 3D, the first bit. Exercise 3D, in first bit, we have some questions in first question. 1, 2, 3. Some questions are there in the textbooks. Okay? You do it. You will have more practice. Then some 2 by 2 square matrices are there, some 3 by 3 square matrices are there. But then try to find determinants and check with answer. You will have more practice. Just here, these are important. And then next 34th question. So very most important is the 34th question. Okay. Whenever you feel my class is fast, you just pause the video and make the notes. Okay. Next, as I told you, very most important question. 34th. Very important. This is for 2 marks. If matrix A equal 1 0 0, matrix A equal 1 0 0, 2 3 4 and 5 minus 6x, and then A equal 45, then A equal 45, then find x, then find x. Okay. What is given? Matrix A is given and determinant A value is 45 is given, and we have to find x value. So first of all, let us that given that matrix A equal 1 0 0, 2 3 4 5 minus 6x, and det A equal to 45 is given. Det A means what? Determinant. Even you can write the det or you can write det. Det A means what here? 1 0 0, 2 3 4 5 minus 6x is equal as it is 45x. So given that A equal matrix, given that det A equal 45. Next I am Continuing, this get A means what? Get 1 0 0 2 3 4 5 minus 6 8. And this equal means this equal part 5 means 5. Simplify this. What is that? First 1 into, okay, 1 into, next 0 into, next 0 into, plus, minus, sorry, minus, plus, and is equal is there, is equal, 45 is there, 45. For 1, first 1 column, 1 row, remaining 3 4 minus 6 x, 3 4 minus 6 x. For 0, 2 4 5 x, 2 4 5 x. For 0, 2 3 5 minus 6, 2 3 5 minus 6. And 2, 1 into cross multiply, 3 into x, 3x minus, minus 6 into 4, minus 24. Next, minus 0 into something, what you will get? 0, that's why no need to do, okay, because of time waste. Plus 0, whatever you will get something, 0 into that something becomes 0, is equal 45. Next, 1 into 3x minus into minus plus 24 is equal 45. 0 cannot be taken. So 1 into something something, therefore 3x plus 24 equal 45. Next, 3x is equal 24 set right side, so it becomes 45 minus 24. Then 3x is equal 45 minus 24 how much? 21. Then x is equal 21 by 3. It is in multiplication, send right side goes to denominator. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. So therefore x is equal to 7. This is the answer. So friends, this is very most important for 2 marks question. Okay, na? In our class, what is determinant? How to find determinant of a 2 by 2 square matrix and how to find determinant of 3 by 3 square matrix. Is it clear? Those can be explained by me. And next, in this determinant, if determinant value is 0, for example, if you find the determinant is 0, then that is called singular matrix. Okay, now, what is singular matrix? Singular matrix means if the determinant is 0, the matrix is called singular matrix. If determinant is not 0, then the matrix is called non-singular matrix. So very easy. So you may be asked in the question, what is singular matrix? What is non-singular matrix? Okay, now, like what is symmetric, what is skew symmetric, give example. Those kind of also important in definitions. In definition also important for 2 marks question. What is trace of matrix? Sum of the principal diagonal matrix is called trace of matrix. And what is symmetric matrix? If A transpose equal to A, then A is called symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? A transpose equal to minus A, then A is called skew symmetric matrix. These were told in previous videos, previous part 3, part 4 something. But here also, what is singular matrix? Give one example. Define non-singular matrix. Give one example. These are also important. So, I am taking as question number 35. Define singular matrix. Singular matrix. And give one example. Okay, now, very simple. Singular matrix means determinant is 0. That's it. Okay. A matrix, a square matrix, capital A is said to be singular matrix if get A equal to 0. That's it. And give example. So one example. Let A equal, I'm I'm taking 3, 2, 6, 4. Okay. Find the determinant. So det A equal what? Det 3, 2, 6, 4. Okay. Which is called cross multiplication. 3 into 4. 12 minus 2 into 6. 12. What is 12 minus 12? 0. So we got it det A equal to 0. Therefore, A is singular matrix. So this is one example. And similarly, non-singular. I am taking as question number 36. Define non-singular matrix and give example. Give one example. Give one example. So, non-singular matrix definition. So, heading non-singular matrix. Actually, in mathematics, definitions cannot be asked, but in this chapter, matrices, few definitions are most important. What is non-singular matrix? Same. A square matrix A is said to be non-singular if they not like that. A square matrix capital A is said to be non-singular if det A not equal to 0. That's it. If det A not equal to 0, that is called non-singular. If det A equal to 0, that is called singular. So, for example, let matrix A equal 1, 5, 3, 2. For example, so det A equal becomes det 1, 5, 3, 2. 1 into 2, 2 minus 3 into 5, 15, which is called minus 13. Is equal to 0? No, not equal to 0. So therefore it is called non-singular matrix. You maybe can give 3 by 3 square matrix also, for example. But to become easy, we wrote just give the example 2 by 2 square matrix. So therefore A is non-singular matrix. So these are the examples. And what is determinant? How to find determinant? And based on determinant, if determinant is 0, that is called singular matrix, and if determinant not equal to 0, that is called non-singular matrix. And then next let us see what is adjoint of a matrix. Okay, now what is adjoint of a matrix? So make the notes and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends, and please your feelings in comment box, then I will understood and I will be encourage you if you feel happy. So next I am going to explain what is adjoint of a matrix. So, dear friends, the matrices chapter is a new chapter for you because of it's in lower classes. I think you never listen what is matrices, what are types of matrices, something so and so. So that's why in this matrices, most probably you are learning a new things. So that's why you may feel more definitions are there. Even more definitions are there. Those are very easy. So according to one by one class, please revision. You will understand very clearly. What is adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint of a matrix means the transpose of a matrix, matrix formed by replacing the cofactors formed by replacing the elements of a square matrix. Replacing the elements of a square matrix with their corresponding cofactors. That's it, corresponding cofactors. Here, what is cofactors? The terminology. Cofactors. I will tell you cofactor means what. Okay, already we have done, but we didn't use the word. They are cofactors. And adjoint of a matrix capital A is denoted by simply adjoint A. So adjoint is denoted by adjoint A. Okay. I will give the examples in the questions. Simple. The transpose of matrix formed by replacing the elements of a square matrix with their corresponding cofactors. And adjoint of matrix A is denoted by adjoint. Means, for example, A called a matrix ABCD. First of all, I have to find the cofactors of each and every element. So, cofactor matrix we have to write. Cofactor of matrix A. So, cofactor matrix what? See, first element A. First plus, next to minus, next to minus, next to plus. Symbols. First plus, next to minus, next to minus, next to plus. Okay? How to write the cofactors? Very simple. Cofactor of element A means close A, column and row. What is the remaining element? D. So we just write D. Next, what is cofactor of B? Close B, column B. What is the element? C. Okay? Because of already, as I wrote here. What is cofactor of A? D. What is cofactor of B? C. Okay? Next, for C. What is cofactor of C? B. And what is cofactor of D? So D row 2 column, close it. A. So this is cofactor matrix. So B minus C minus B A. Those are cofactors. And no need to write plus. This is cofactor. And then adjoint A is called cofactor matrix transpose. Okay na? First of all, find the cofactors, then transpose. So cofactor matrix transpose is adjoint A. Very simple. So adjoint A equal D minus C minus B A whole transpose. So what is transpose? Transpose means interchange the rows and columns. So therefore adjoint A equal, yes, transpose means write the row as column. So D minus C is first row, so write as first column D minus C, and minus B A is second row, so write as second row. So this is adjoint A. I'll give you one example. So how many questions are completed just now? 36 are over. So let us take 37th very short question. Depend on this adjoint A. find the okay. Before going to few questions, one more definition. I think you understood what is exactly how to find. For 3 by 3 adjoint matrix also I will explain. That will come in 4 marks question. So in the next video, the next class, I can explain how to find adjoint of 3 by 3 square matrix. Just now I have told you how to find adjoint of 2 by 2 square matrix, and I will give few questions on this concept. So before that, a small 2 concepts, that is what is invertible matrix and what is inverse of a matrix. Okay, invertible matrix. Invertible matrix. Very simple. If suppose I am taking 2 non-zero matrices A and B, if AB is equal, BA is equal to I means heiligheted matrix. What is A? A is an sub matrix, B is an sub matrix. A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. Then A is said to be invertible to B, or B is said to be invertible to A. Also we can see that. So here, and A inverse is equal to B, and A inverse is equal to B. What is A inverse? So you should know what is inverse matrix. So next concept is inverse matrix. Here I will tell you what is inverse matrix. Okay? Let A is a non-singular. A must be non-singular square matrix. Non-singular square matrix. Then inverse of A. Inverse of A is denoted by A inverse and defined as A inverse is equal 1 by det A into adjoint A, or you can write adjoint A by det A. This is very most important. Okay, now we have 4 mass questions and 7 mass questions on this concept. What is A inverse means? A inverse is equal 1 by det A into adjoint A, or otherwise adjoint A by det A. Okay, both are same. So this is inverse matrix. And how can we find inverse? First of all, we should find det A, and then we should find adjoint A, and we do adjoint A by det A, we will get A inverse. Okay, now inverse matrix means if A is non-singular matrix, then inverse of A is denoted by A power minus 1, and defined as A inverse is equal 1 by det A into adjoint A, or adjoint A by det A also. So these are the few definitions. So now let us take the 37th question. Okay, no? So in the 37th question, depend on this concept, I will give you few more questions that you can understand very easily how to find adjoint and how to find inverse. And here understanding is important. Then based on concept, how to solve the sums is also most important. So if you know the concept, and then we can try to solve the sums. If we are capable to solve the sums, we are capable to get the good score. So what is this chapter? Matrices. So in this part 7, 2 mass questions we are discussing. Okay, 37. Find the adjoint and inverse of the matrix find the adjoint and inverse of the matrix 1, 2, 3 minus 5. 1, 2, 3 minus 5. So, see solution. Let matrix A equal 1, 2, 3 minus 5. First of all, asking adjoint A. To find adjoint A, we should find the cofactors. So, write down cofactor matrix. Cofactor of what is cofactor symbol? First plus, minus, minus, plus. In 2 marks questions, I am explaining how to find adjoint of 2 by 2 square matrix. In 4 marks question, I will explain how to find cofactor of 3 by 3. And that is very most concept important because of 4, not only 4 marks, but 7 marks also we have some questions and most important questions. So please watch next video to get that concept. Cofactors. How to write? Cofactor of element 1. To get cofactor of element 1, close one column and one row. What is the remaining element? Minus 5. So write down minus 5. Next, cofactor of 2. What is the element? 3. So write down 3. Next, cofactor of next to third 3. 3 column, 3 row. What is the remaining? 2. So note down 2. Next, cofactor of minus 5. What is the element? 1. So cofactor matrix is plus into minus 5. Okay. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, 1. This is cofactor. And what is asking? Adjoint. Therefore, adjoint A is equal. How can we do adjoint? By transposing the cofactor matrix. So power 3. So which is equal? First row minus 5 minus 3 write as first column, and the second row minus 2 minus 1 write as second column. So this is adjoint A. We got it? Half adjoint A. And then asking inverse. Inverse. So inverse means what? Just now I told you A inverse means 1 by det A into adjoint A. So we got it adjoint A already, and we should find det A. So first of all, det A equal find out. Det A equal det 1, 2, 3 minus 5. So which is equal cross multiplication. 1 into minus 5 minus 1 into minus 5. Next 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. However, that's it. 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 2 into 3 6 minus 5 minus 6 minus 1. This is det. Therefore, finally, inverse of matrix A inverse equal to what is formula? 1 by det A into adjoint A. So which is equal 1 by minus 11 into adjoint A. What is adjoint A? Minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 1. Okay, no? Or if you like to write one more step, 1 by 11 into 5, so becomes 5 by 11. 1 by 11 minus 11 into minus 2 becomes 2 by 11, becomes 3 by 11. So here plus 2 means minus 1 by 11 or 1 by minus 11, both are same. So this is A inverse. Okay, no? In this way we can find adjoint and inverse of a given 2 by 2 square. Very clear? Do you want one more question? Yeah. One important question is there in this concept. So 37th is over. Next to 38th question. So don't feel bored. This is your new learning. Similarly, I will give you one example. One question, 2 minus 3, 4, 6. You do it. 2 minus 3, 4, 6. Then for 38, homework. You do it. 2 minus 3, 4, 6. Same process. First write cofactor matrix and do transpose, we get adjoint and find the determinant. Then write A inverse formula and simplify the answer. Okay, in this 37 question, like do 38 question. Next, 39th question. So very most important. Same. Find the adjoint and inverse of cos alpha. Let's see the question. Minus sin alpha. Next, sin alpha, cos alpha. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay, solution. Let, given that matrix of A equal cos alpha minus sin alpha. Next, sin alpha, cos alpha. This is given matrix A. Okay. For this, we should find adjoint and inverse. So to find adjoint, first of all, we should find cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix. How to find cofactors? Symbols plus, minus, plus. Okay. For first element cos alpha. What is the remaining element? Cos alpha. Next second element minus sin alpha. Third element sin alpha. And for third element keep sin alpha. What is the element? Minus sin alpha. And for cos alpha, fourth element cos alpha. This is cofactor matrix. And simplify this plus cos alpha minus sin alpha, minus into minus plus sin alpha cos alpha. So this is cofactor and then adjoint. So therefore adjoint A equal cofactor matrix 4 transpose cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha 4 transpose. So which is equal, but we are getting first row as first column cos alpha minus sin alpha, second row as second column sin alpha cos. So this is adjoint. Next row, how to find inverse. So to find inverse, first of all find vedio, means determinant cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, cross multiplication, cos into cos square alpha minus sin into sin square, minus to minus plus, so you will get cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So this is equal to 1. Get A equal. Therefore inverse of A means A inverse is called formula 1 by det A into adjoint A. So that is called 1 by 1 into, what is adjoint A? Cos alpha sin alpha, next minus sin alpha cos. So this is equal A inverse equal cos alpha sin alpha and minus sin alpha cos. This is the answer. Okay, these are few 2 marks questions to that way. This is important question. 39 are over. And in this inverse concept, 4 notes. Okay, next step here. First one, in this inverse concept, A inverse whole inverse equal to A, and A into B. Okay, A transpose whole inverse equal A inverse whole transpose. Next third one, A into B B inverse into A inverse. These are few rules. So these are the 2 marks, and with concepts, what is determinant, what is singular matrix, what is non-singular matrix, what is adjoint matrix. Okay, important concept. In the next class, we will discuss the 4 marks questions depend on how to find adjoint, how to find inverse, and determinants, sums. Okay, very most important sums I will tell you. Sir, what is this? Always you are saying important part. Because if you open the textbook, you observe many questions are there in the textbook. In that, I explained few sums, and remaining few you can solve by using the textbook. If you practice this, most probably enough. If you want and more practice, you open the textbook and do the sums. Whatever I do not tell, you can solve it by using them. And thank you very much. Please subscribe. In the next class, I will tell you what is rank of matrix and what are the 4 marks questions, and so and so. We will complete, and then after, in the next class, 7 marks questions will be start. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and click the bell button.